We will start from the topic Causes of Partition of Bengal from the chapter Second Phase of the Indian National Movement. Partition of Bengal. The division of Bengal, it was carried out by the British Viceroy in India, Lord Curzon. Bengal, Bihar and Odisha. It had formed a single province of British India since 1765. By 1900, the province had grown too large to handle under a single administration. East Bengal, because of isolation and poor communication, had been neglected in favor of West Bengal and Bihar. Curzon chose one of several schemes for partition to unite the Assam, which had been a part of the province until 1874, with 15 districts of East Bengal, and thus form a new province with a population of 31 million. The capital was Dhaka and the people were mainly Muslim. And the Hindu of the West Bengal, who controlled most of the Bengal's commerce and professional and rural life, complained that the Bengal or the Bengali nation would be split in two, make them a minority in a province, including the whole of Bihar and Odisha. Was the nerve center of Indian nationalism. So the British, they hoped to stop the rising tide of nationalism by the partition of Bengal. People started a strong movement against the partition known as the anti-partition movement. Anti-partition movement, it was named as Swadeshi movement because it was publicly recommended that India would boycott the foreign goods and would start using homemade goods made by the Indians. The partition of Bengal, it flamed up people all over India. All sections of the Congress and the moderate radicals, they opposed it. Large public meeting and demonstration were organized and novel method of mass protest developed. Protest movement against the partition of Bengal. Within Bengal, different sections of the population, the Jamidars, merchants, lawyers, students and women, they rose up in opposition to the partition of their province. The partition came into effect on 16th October 1905. The leaders of the protest movement, they declared it a day of national mourning throughout the Bengal. It was observed as a day of fasting. There was Hartal in Kolkata. People walked barefooted and bathed in the Ganga in the early hours. Literally meaning I bow to the mother, the immortal and vibrant song of Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Vande Mataram, the two opening words of the song, it evoked perception of the motherland in all its beauty, serenity and glory. The message of the song, it transformed into a slogan in course of the political agitation and provided the much needed spark to bring about national awakening. Rabindranath Tagore composed the national song Amar Sonar Bangla for the occasion, which was sung by huge crowds parading the streets. This song was adopted as its national anthem by Bangladesh in 1971 after liberation. The ceremony of Raksha Bandhan, it was celebrated in a new way. Hindus and Muslims, they tied Rakhis on one another's wrist as the symbol of unbreakable unity of the Bengalis and the two halves of the Bengals. That afternoon, the foundation stone for Federation Hall was laid, a grand building symbolizing the unity of two Bengal. Barrister Anand Mohan Bose, he laid the foundation of Federation Hall, and all those gathered, they took the pledge to follow Savdeshi.